Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you easy ways to transfer your photos and videos without all the hassle. If we want to transfer photos or videos without using the iTunes app, we'll first go to our photos to begin the process. Making it easy to select what we need to ensure our photos and videos are synced with iCloud, so they're accessible across devices, making transfer simpler. To do this, we go to Settings, where we can manage our device's configurations and find the iCloud settings. After going to Settings, we open our account to access iCloud and other linked services, keeping everything connected. Next, we go to iCloud, where our device's data is stored and managed, including photos and videos. We then turn on the iCloud Photos feature, ensuring our iPhone's photos are synced and can be accessed from our PC. After setting up iCloud, we open the device where we want to transfer our photos and videos, which prepares it to receive the files and allows us to complete the transfer process successfully. Here, we'll sign into iCloud using Safari or Google, depending on our personal preference, to access our synced photos and videos securely. This step is crucial as it allows us to connect to our iCloud account, giving us permission to transfer our media files to our PC. So let's choose our preferred browser. Signing into iCloud gives us access to our account, enabling us to manage our stored data, settings, and synced content across devices, which is essential for transferring photos and videos to our PC. After signing in, we now have access to all our iCloud data, which is really convenient. From here, we can open the Photos section and select the specific photos or videos we want to transfer to our PC, which is a great way to choose exactly what we need. We can then download them directly from this page, making the transfer process pretty straightforward and completing the move of our selected files to our computer. Now, we download the selected photos and videos, which will be saved to our PC in their original format, a reliable method to transfer files without iTunes, allowing us to preserve their quality and organize them as needed, making it easy to access and manage our media library directly on our computer. Moved your media without iTunes? Check description for a discount. Like and subscribe.